Johor Bahru is the capital of Johor State and located at the southern end of Peninsular Malaysia. It is the second largest city in the country after Kuala Lumpur, with a population of approximately 1 million. Its strategic location, adjacent to Singapore, had contributed to escalating development, rising land values, and offer any opportunities to the investors. Our company, Rise Development, is planning to develop a sport complex in Skudai. The lot number of the proposed site for the project is Lot 3481, which under Mukim Pulai of Johor Bahru district. The overall land area is 2.02 hectares. This Mukim is governed by Majlis Bandaraya Iskandar Puteri MBIP. The selected site falls under the category of agricultural land. Therefore, it is required to make an application for conversion of land use to building. Topography of land. Based on the observation, the site is plain and generally does not change much in elevation. There are many large trees, shrubs, and other vegetation growing over the site. The examples of vegetation found in the site are Behavior Muticle, Stable Ferns, and Phylloxera decipiens. Next, soil condition. A soil analysis has been carried out to determine soil texture present in the area. The type of soil found in the site is loamy soil. Loam is the best soil type for construction due to its ideal combination of silt, sand, and clay. Loam is great to support foundation because it generally does not shift, expand, or shake drastically and handle the presence of water very well. There are many ways to access our proposed site. The site is connected to Persiaran Utama, Persiaran Bakti, Jalan Sejahtera, Jalan Kebangsaan, dan Jalan Kebudayaan. Public utilities. Electricity supply is important to fulfill the demand of electricity for equipment, plant, and machinery for building erection. Well water supply is essential for daily consumption and on-site construction work such as concrete patching. Telecommunication system is used to ensure a smooth information exchange via telecom network. Sewerage system to drain groundwater and assist water from impervious surface. Bus stop Jalan Skudai, Kwanti Temple, Surah Asyakirin, Educational Institution. The surrounding area of the site are developed with residential area. It is only 0.3 km from Taman Skudai Raya, 0.45 km from Taman Skudai Indah, 1.4 km to Desa Skudai Apartment, 1.6 km from Taman Mutiara Rini, and 2.6 km from Taman University. Since there are no sports complex nearby this area, our proposed project will be the best place to attract surrounding residents to enjoy recreational and competitive sporting events. Commercial building, Aeon Shopping Center, petrol station, commercial short lot, clinic, homestay. Construction resources near to our proposed site. Rumah Sendirian Berhad, Penman, ITP Building Material, Katsura Landscape Supplier Sendirian Berhad, Potensi Construction Machinery, Aktio Malaysia. Planning and development of the state. Johor population. Based on the Department of Statistics, the population of Johor is 3.76 million in 2019. Population growth rate increased steadily from year 2016 to 2018 and slowed down in year 2019. At the same time, this chart shows that the Johor's labor force is increasing year by year, reaching 1.8 million in year 2019. The unemployment rate fell to 2.7, which is the lowest among the past 4 years. Based on household income and basic amenities survey report, the mean income of Johor had rose from 6,377 ringgit in 2016 to 9,315 ringgit in 2019, which is the highest among the other districts. According to the property market overview in first half of year 2020, the volume and value of property transactions contract almost 30% compared to the previous year. The overhang of residential and service apartment in Johor had increased 19.5% and 73.7%, while the occupancy rate of private office building and shopping center had increased more than 70% in year 2020. This indicates that the housing property, office, and shopping center is oversupplied. The proposed sport complex will be an attractive development to provide new sporting facility to the city. Environmental impact. Due to the proximity to homes and material used, construction site may generate pollution. This involves air, water, soil and noise pollution. Our sites are located near to housing and commercial area and noise complaint might be likely. When beginning a construction project, it is important to consider any local construction time restrictions. Construction causes both water and air pollution, which can be harmful to both workers and the people who live around the site. Air pollution refers to the airborne contaminants including contaminants, particulate matter, and volatile compounds are separating around the surrounding neighborhood, while the surface water runoff and groundwater close to the construction site become polluted with various bacteria used in construction work such as paints, glues, and diesel. Air quality. The use of low volatile organic compounds products can reduce the amount of toxic off-gassing that contribute to high level of contaminants both indoor and outdoor. Traffic impact. To minimize the impact to surrounding public due to the increasing of traffic load, sufficient parking space shall be provided to the customer. A good sports complex design can stimulate participants and their families to return for future vacations or future events. Sport events also offer the potential for regional identity enhancement, in which a successful event links the host community with imagery of healthy living, achievement, or the outdoor environment. SWOT analysis. Strength. Multi-sporting complex will attract larger groups, capture the attention of sporting bodies near to Skudai Pontian Highway, where the customer from other areas can access to the sport complex easily. Weakness: require large amount from investor due to the higher initial budget, high operating costs as it relates to maintaining the facility. Opportunities: the proposed site is surrounded by residential and commercial areas and educational institutions. High potential in emerging markets. Threats: limited public transportation from outside of the area. Competition of another center opening in the area. Membership numbers may take time to develop. This case concern for covering costs in initial business stage.